Hey everyone, welcome to Technology Glance. In today's video, I'll show you how to download Bigo Live application. So, let's get started. Begin by opening your Play Store. In the search bar, type in Bigo Live app and perform your search. Tap on the Bigo Live application and then tap in the install button to begin the downloading process. It will take a while to download the app. Once the application is installed, tap Open to launch the app. And this is how you can download Bigo Live application. Thanks for watching Technology Glance. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you're new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.